Team Baxter.
I've been testing Yeti out here and there, just doing a little bit of having a little fun with it. I've been running it for about 20 minutes and I lost my dog bone. Not sure how that happened. Came out. Probably gonna have to pop the wheel and put that back in, but that's gonna kill my first run. I have to say it's pretty fun while I was driving it though. So I'm pretty happy with my Yeti first experience. There's a few things that need to be adjusted though. My first run ran short because of the dog bone issue. But there was a couple more things, like the slipper is way too loose. I can't pull the trigger without it slipping. That may be a good thing, but I want a little more aggressiveness from my drive. So I'm gonna have to tighten my slipper down a little bit. The front wheels, the camber seems to be a little bit extreme, so I'm gonna adjust that a little bit. Got a little bit of wires to tuck in. Of course, the dog bone issue to fix. Just a few little small things that I saw that I need to kind of work on. I'm gonna take it into the workshop and get these couple of little issues worked out. Not sure how that dog bone popped out, but get that fixed and just do a once over one more time to make sure that everything's okay.